Are you wondering how to use Asana for graphic design projects? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, we're going to cover how you can leverage Asana to streamline your graphic design workflows, collaborate more efficiently with your team, and make sure your projects stay on track. The best part? You can try Asana for free through the link in the description below, and there's an exclusive bonus if you sign up through that link. First up, let's talk about how to organize your graphic design projects in Asana. When you create a new project, choose from the pre-made templates, or you can start with a blank project and customize it. For graphic design, the design project template is perfect for visualizing tasks, tracking deadlines, and assigning work. Next thing, Asana's task management system. Each design project can be broken down into smaller tasks like research, concept sketches, and finalizing designs. You can create tasks for each stage, and within those tasks, you can add subtasks for more detailed steps. This ensures nothing gets overlooked and keeps everything organized in one place. The third thing you'll love about Asana is its team collaboration features. You can assign specific tasks to team members, add attachments like design drafts or brand guidelines, and even leave comments on tasks to get feedback instantly. With the @mention feature, you can quickly tag someone and they'll be notified, which is a great way to keep communication flowing smoothly. The fourth thing you need to know is Asana's timeline and calendar views. The timeline view is great for graphic designers because it gives you a visual layout of project deadlines and milestones. You can easily track how each stage of the design process aligns with the overall project and adjust if something needs more time or resources. If you prefer seeing it in a calendar format, switch to the calendar view to see your design deadlines in a familiar layout. The fifth thing is Asana's integration with other tools like Google Drive and Dropbox. This is a game changer for graphic design teams that work with large files or rely on other software to create their designs. You can quickly attach files, share them with your team, and stay organized without ever leaving Asana. Now, here's the bonus tip you've been waiting for: Asana's automation features. You can automate repetitive tasks like moving design tasks from in progress to completed once they're done, or set up recurring tasks for regular check-ins on design progress. This is a massive time saver when you have multiple design projects going on at once. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to use Asana for graphic design projects. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, Asana makes managing your graphic design workflow a lot easier. Remember, you can get started with Asana for free right now through the link in the description below, and don't forget about the exclusive free trial offer. Check it out, try it for yourself, and see how much smoother your design projects can run.